everyone, welcome to another episode of WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix when Aetna Health login is not working on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're not being able to log into your Aetna Health application, then here are some fixes you could try out. While logging into your Aetna Health account, you'll need to type in your username followed by your password. In case you forget any one of those, you can get help from the link that is displayed on the bottom of the screen. If you've forgotten your username, tap on Forgot Username and follow the on-screen prompts. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password, tap Forgot Password and follow the instructions in order to look for your password. Another thing you could try out is to check if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. If you're not connected to an internet, you won't be able to log into your account. So make sure to be connected to one or try switching between Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you find the best connection for yourself, log into your Aetna Health account again by entering your password and your username. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to do is to try and update your Aetna Health application. Go and tap Open your App Store. In the search box, search for Aetna Health and perform your search. If you see an open button right next to Aetna Health app, it means that your application is updated. There's no need to be doing that right now. But if you see an update button, give it a tap and download the latest version of Aetna Health application. Once you update the application, your login problem should be fixed. If that still doesn't work, you can try clearing out the cache data from the Aetna Health app. Open up Settings and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage from the General menu. And now, search for Aetna Health application from the list of the apps displayed on the screen. Once you find it, give it a tap and now tap on Offload App option. Offloading your application will delete the app, but it will keep its documents and data intact on the device. Tap on Offload App, wait for a few seconds, and now tap on Reinstall App in order to get the app back on your iPhone. Now wait until the app gets reinstalled, and once it is completed, tap Open the app, log into your account by entering your username and your password and make sure to type them in correct, and tap on the Sign In button in order to fix the issue. Those were some of the most easiest method whenever your Aetna Health application is not working or not logging in. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.